They thought she was just an old woman on a farmhouse porch. But when the HOA built 96 homes on her land, they walked right into her trap. Meet Evelyn Johnson. Her family had owned that land for nearly 100 years. Developers and HOAs circled it for decades, but she never sold. To them, it looked like empty dirt. To her, it was legacy. When Richard Coleman's HOA launched Brookstone Estates, they didn't ask Evelyn for permission. They built shiny houses, sold them for $500,000 each, and bragged about their luxury community. Evelyn never fought back publicly. She let them build. She let them pour concrete and sell homes. Why? Because she was a former real estate attorney. She knew property law inside and out. And she was collecting evidence. In her farmhouse, binders stacked high, original deeds, tax receipts, surveys, photos of bulldozers tearing up her land, even copies of falsified plats the HOA had filed. Every house they built wasn't a loss for her, it was leverage. The HOA grew cocky. They fined her, threatened her, even trespassed. Evelyn just smiled and filed it all away. Then came the courtroom showdown. The HOA's lawyers claimed she had abandoned the land. But Evelyn's attorney laid out every document, every receipt, every survey proving otherwise. Finally, Evelyn stood and said, "My grandfather bought this land in 1924, when people like us weren't welcome. We held on through everything. And no HOA will steal it from me now." The judge's verdict shook the room. Evelyn Johnson was the rightful owner. All 96 homes legally belonged to her. Families gasped, Richard Coleman went pale, and reporters rushed to spread the story. Elderly woman outsmarts HOA, wins entire subdivision. But Evelyn didn't throw people out. Instead, she offered homeowners a choice: buy from her fairly or rent without HOA harassment. No scams. No greed. Just justice. The HOA collapsed. Richard Coleman lost everything. Evelyn Johnson turned their arrogance into her empire. All because she played the long game. They thought she was weak. They were wrong.